Thermal camera pest detection lets advanced do-it-yourselfers pinpoint nests, rodent activity, and insulation gaps by mapping temperature differences without tearing walls apart. Start by choosing the right thermal camera pest detection product for a do-it-yourselfer job, such as a consumer handheld camera or a smartphone thermal attachment that offers at least a moderate thermal sensitivity and a resolution that allows you to see small hotspots through building materials. Scan at night when the house and exterior surfaces have cooled so warm animal bodies contrast sharply with surroundings, and sweep slowly in overlapping passes about 2 to 3 feet from surfaces to create a clear thermal map. Use long exposure or averaged frames if your device supports it to reduce noise and improve hotspot definition, and always corroborate a thermal hotspot with a visual inspection using a flashlight, moisture meter, or inspection mirror to rule out electrical heat sources or plumbing. For attics and crawl spaces, open access points and isolate one area at a time so you can localize sources and wear protective gear against droppings and insulation. When interpreting images, remember that heat can transfer through thin materials, so a hotspot on a wall could represent something behind plaster, wiring, or a pipe. Use gentle probing and follow the thermal trail to locate entry points. If findings are ambiguous, such as faint or intermittent hotspots or potential structural or electrical heat, hire a professional for a confirmatory inspection to avoid misdiagnosis and safety risks. A common mistake is mistaking electrical wiring, lighting fixtures, or HVAC components for animal activity. Verify with a visual check and a simple non-contact voltage tester before assuming pests. Another frequent issue is scanning during daytime or when external temperature differences are low, which yields poor contrast. Always test during nocturnal hours or after several hours of stable ambient temperature to improve target detection. People also overtrust a single thermal pass and fail to follow up. Always corroborate hotspots with physical inspection, set traps or motion cameras when safe, and, when in doubt, engage a licensed pest professional to confirm species and recommend control methods. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors and do-it-yourself, resources relevant to thermal camera pest detection and remediation, and we connect contractors seeking work with homeowners who need services. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences, photo examples, and practical tips so our members can learn from each other.